Okay, this is the continuation of the video I made earlier in featuring the game of Antonio Mosqueda, a player from Turil, Davao City. But his score is 30 points. So he is currently placed number 6 or ranked number 6 in this tournament of National Master Jonathan Tan in coordination with AGM, Henry Roger Lopez Coach. So once again, good afternoon guys. Okay, I want to investigate or scrutinize the game of Anthony Mosqueda here. So he is playing with the white pieces against Joel Hiccup. So Mosqueda has already an advantage here because he is actually one piece up. Oh my god, he just captured his queen. But the good thing is, I think he can actually maneuver or create counters with this position because the time of Mr. Hiccup already 1 second. So here, Mr. Hiccup can create a mistake because of the time attack. Okay, so Mosqueda won the game in this position. Okay, so let's view the tournament, how thing goes. So he's still at spot number 6 with 32 points. I hope he can win the game. If he can win the game, maybe he can climb. But we have a dark horse here in the person of NM Garry Kasparov. Wow. He has undefeated record of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins in a row. So if this is a tournament and you won 9 wins in a row, you will already declare as a champion. But unfortunately, this is an arena in which there is a time limit, and the most points gathered or accumulated will be declared the champion. So the most points player here is in the person of Lichess account user Switcher68 with a rating of 2159. Okay, with only 1, 2, 3, 4 defeats. This is what an amazing performance in this tournament. Okay. So, shout out for Turil Boys exclusive group chat. Especially, congratulations to Mr. Erwin Tubog Jr. and Mr. Adrian Dimakiling. I congratulate the both of you for whatever purpose, sir. So, congratulations once again. Okay. So, back to our game of Mr. Mosqueda. This is Mr. Mosqueda versus NM Garry Kasparov, who is currently leading the tournament. Let's see how Mosqueda reacts. Actually Mosqueda is already winning here. I can actually mate. Oh my god! Mosqueda demolished the current leader in this tournament. So I want to analyze this position. Okay, so Mosqueda here is playing the black pieces. So, as you can see, trying to develop his position. And Mr. Kasparov jumped to the enemy's camp. But I think it is premature to attack with only 1 piece in the enemy camp or in the attacking position. So he was forced to retreat his knight. And Mr. Mosqueda has just continued to develop his bishop in order to improve his position. So here, the main problem of Mosqueda here is this bishop. It's because it acts like a pawn. It has no mobility. So let's wait how Mosqueda actually utilized this bad piece here. Okay, so he just developed his queen and castle. Okay. Okay. So Mosqueda already control the center. Oh, he's trying to open up the position. Okay, this is a good opportunity for Mr. Mosqueda to put his rook on this file. Because if Mosqueda can put rook on this file, he is threatening the king at the same time the queen. So it is a good idea to put rook, either this rook or this rook. So I think this rook should do better. It's because this rook is actually going to this file. Whenever this pawn will be open, then this rook can actually automatically help the attack. Okay. Okay, so good move again. So he gained a tempo. So either bishop d2 or bishop e1. Oh, he just checked. So I think okay. Okay. But Mr. Kasparov didn't eat this center pawn. Okay, so he's trying to harass now. Okay. So the position of Kasparov is already open. I think it will be difficult for Mr. Kasparov to counter this. Okay. Threatening there, at the same time threatening queen. Oh my god, he just gave up his queen. That's why he lost. It's because he gave up his queen. And the rest is history. It's very easy for Mosqueda to attack and deliver mate to Mr. NM Garry Kasparov. So congratulations to Mr. Mosqueda for winning this game. Mr. Kasparov is currently the leading or the tournament leader of this tournament. But he suffered a defeat to Mr. Mosqueda, who is a good player and also a good friend of mine. Okay. So let's see what is the current standing of Mr. Mosqueda here. He actually ranked number 5 with a 2 winning streak. Let's watch again. Okay, Mosqueda is actually a rook up, but unfortunately, time is actually is the enemy of Mr. Mosqueda here. He can easily win this game is because he is already a rook up, and the rest is strategy in winning this game. Okay, so this pawn will become queen eventually. If this king will not resign, he will become terrorized by the black position or the black pieces in this game. So good for the white piece. He actually resigned. So Mr. Mosqueda is currently ranked number 5. I hope he can maneuver or he can climb up to the number 3 spot, which is only 6 points from his current position. Okay, so his game is already in Cipriano Magalso. So their current match point is 13.5 versus 3.5. I hope Mr. Mosqueda. Okay, so Mr. Mosqueda won this game. So I think Mr. Mosqueda has actually a shot here. If he win one more, it will be equivalent to 52 points. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, so this is very exciting. It's because actually Mosqueda is trying to play or trying to win again versus NM Garry Kasparov, who is the current tournament leader. So we'll just wait and see how Mr. Mosqueda reacts, or how can Garry Kasparov counter the this queen is already, oh my god, Oh, okay. So Mr. Mosqueda has a point here. So okay. So this queen is already free. So oh my God. So I think Anthony Mosqueda here can actually win the game. Okay. Let's just wait and see how he will counter or how he will maneuver. Oh, so already capture. Okay. So back to the game. It's 6. Right, will not work. Okay, so maneuvering where? Okay, this is already threatening. Oh my God, I think it's losing here. Okay, just a6. I think a6. Okay, so capture. Okay, so good also. Two knights versus a rook. But oh my God, this is very interesting game. Okay, so just capture that one. Okay, this is already capture. I think Mosqueda can win this game. Capture again with the two knights. Okay, just hit that one. Okay, double stroke. Maneuver. Push pawn. Okay. What a game. Actually, Mosqueda can play for a draw here. Actually, okay. So what will happen? I think he can play draw here. Okay, what a game. Okay, there's draw. Okay, 5 seconds left. Who is the chosen one in order to win this game? I think Mosqueda has a very, very fast also. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Draw. Oh my God. Mosqueda won the game of his two knights. Wow. Amazing. What an amazing move. He just attacked on time. So in this game, Mosqueda won the game by his attacking strategy, which is time attack. So congratulations to Mr. Mosqueda. And the winner of this tournament is Miss Lichess user Switcher, and Mr. Mosqueda moved his rank up to 4th spot or rank number 4. So once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And this video was only intended for beginners, just like me. I am a beginner in chess, and please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And thank you very much. And once again, good evening. Thank you, guys.